In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're organizing your contacts or taking a break from unwanted messages, knowing how to block a user can help you stay focused and manage your conversations more effectively. Let's jump right in and walk through the process from start to finish. To begin, sign into Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. If prompted, enter your login details to access your account. Signing in ensures you're working within your own Teams environment, where your contact and chat settings are fully available. Once you're logged in, find the person you want to block. This could be someone listed in your chat history or a contact you've previously communicated with. Browse through your chat list or contacts until you locate their name. When you find the contact, hover your mouse over their name. You'll see 3 dots appear, also known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to open additional actions related to that contact. From the menu that appears, look for the block option and select it. This will stop the selected person from sending you messages on Microsoft Teams. Blocking someone can be a helpful way to protect your time, privacy, and focus, especially in a busy work setting. Keep in mind that blocking a contact on Microsoft Teams is not permanent. If you ever decide to reconnect, you can easily undo this action. Simply go to your blocked contacts list, open the More Options menu for that person, and choose Unblock. Another important detail is that blocking someone does not send them a notification. The change only affects how you interact with them, making it a discreet and non-confrontational way to manage communication when you need space or fewer distractions. And that's it. You now know how to block and unblock someone on Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.